everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Okay, first thing I'm going to tell you is my CVS card is continuing getting the same CRTs over and over and over again. I still have hope. I know. I still have hope, but I don't know if I should just stop using that card, period. But I have to cancel the membership thing. But I'm going to continue having that be my main card. And I did get some good deals with that today. So I was actually pretty excited. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. There was a deal that I did not know it was the same deal. So I'll explain that to you when I get my items. But let's just dig in. Now, the app was acting funny with me today because I always scan to see what item goes to that. But every single time I've been scanning a cosmetic item, I've been constantly getting 10 off of 35 Maybelline off of Revlon, different other makeups, and it's like, I don't know if it's as if it just is for Maybelline or not. So I didn't want to chance it. I didn't want to not use that, but I keep constantly getting that popping up on every single time I get that coupon. So I'm here to share with you, I got Snuggle. I love this stuff. This is one of my favorite stuffs. I used to be a Downy person, but now I'm becoming a Snuggle person. So the Snuggle was $5.99. There is a website. It was Ask Your Care. I know, Juan, you brought it up to me. I have printed out from the website before, but the coupons come and go. They're not always available because I've gone to that website and they were gone. I think it's All You Care or something like that. But yeah, the website is always there, but the coupons are not. So there was currently $1 off printable for this one. There's a printable for Purex. There's a printable for Renewzits, Dial, All. So, and they don't expire till June 15th. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that, I don't know what the limit of printing them is. It's either 1 or 2. But these are $5.99. They were buy one, get one free. I used $1 off coupon, so you'd pay $4.99 for this. But then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making it $2.99, like $1.49. So if you need some laundry detergent, actually this is fabric softener. But if you guys need that, definitely go ahead. That is something that I absolutely love. I got the Clear Care. The Clear Care was on sale for $9.99. There is a $3 off digital coupon that you want to use. I also have been getting the 2 off of 10 eye CRT every single week. So I paid $4.99 for this, but then you get a $4 extra care buck, making it 99 cents. So if you guys need some eye care, 99 cents is a pretty good deal. I ended up having a paparazzi coupon or CRT on my other card. So these were 2 for $5. I had $1 off CRT. So I ended up using that. Paid $4 for these. You get a $4 extra care buck, making these free. So loving it, loving it, loving it. Now, I did the razor deal. I did some makeup, but I want to share with you guys the razor deal. So one card, I was going to do the body wash of the Bulldog, but my store only had one because I had a 5 off of 15 CRT that I wanted to use for Bulldog. But the store only had one, so I had to change it up a bit. So then I had one card, I had a 6 off of 30 CRT, the newer one that I barely use. And my old one had a 5 off of 25 CRT. So for razors and stuff. So I'm like, okay, what can I do? So the first deal I was going to do is the Gillette deal. Now the Gillette deal is $9.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons for this, but then you'd get $10 back. But I ended up doing the Bulldog deal. Now this is the shave gel. These were $8.79, okay? And then I had that 7 off of 2 digital coupon. So with me spending over $25, I ended up getting $5 off. So my total came to $19.56. You get $5 when you buy 2 of these. You get $10 when you buy 2 of those. So I got $15 back. So my grand total was $4.56, or just $1.14 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal for these. So I'm like, okay, we're going to do that deal. Well, then my other card that I barely use had a ton of chic CRTs. So I'm like, okay, we'll do that deal. I did not know that the Bulldog and the Chic deal are the same deal. I did not know that because when I was looking at my CRT, it said shave and chic on the CRT. So I did not know that they were the same deal. There were two different spots in the ad, but they're considered. So if you do the bulldog deal, you can't do the chic deal. I don't know why, but I didn't know that. So until I got home and started going through my receipts. But anyways, with my other card, I did the chic deal. These were $6.99. I had a $2 off digital coupon. I had a $2 off extreme CRT. I also had a 3 off 12 chic razor. And then I had a $4 off chic extreme razors. So I used those three CRTs and then the $2 off digital coupons. Comes to $9.97. You get a $5 extra care buck when you spend $15. So these came out to be just $4.97 or $1.65. And I'm like, okay, you know, that's a decent deal. But then, yeah, I did not know that it's either one or the other. So if you guys only have one card and you're doing, it depends on what you want to do, you can mix and match. Like, if you needed to, yeah, there's different ways around it, but if you guys need to mix and match, you can do it because it looks like it's the same deal. I ended up doing the Maybelline deal. Sometimes I get these coupons and sometimes I don't, so I got these anyways. So the Maybelline was a spend 15 deal. This was $6.49 and this was $8.49. I had the 4 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from our inserts like 2 weeks ago or last week. And then I had a $3 off CRT that we got from last week's Red Machine. So I paid $7.98 for these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making it $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. So if you need to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead and do that. And then I did this deal. I ended up getting this Revlon Skin Lights. There was like 3 of them on the shelf, and I was scanning it with the app, and this is the only one that popped up that had my CRT attaching to it in my coupon. I don't understand why the other 2 weren't, but like I said, my app was being, or the app was being super glitchy, so I don't know what the heck is going on. But this was $11.99. There is a deal, I think if you spend 12. But this, I used a $3 off digital coupon, and then I had a $4 off CRT that we received from last week. Paid $4.99 for this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making this absolutely free. So this is just a little highlighter if you guys need some highlighter. It says it's new, so I'm pretty excited to use that. But yeah, that is what I got. So my total for both cards came to $16.01. I didn't have enough CRTs for one card and I didn't have enough CRTs for the other, and I just like to do it all in one transaction because I like to build my CRTs. But 16 bucks for all that stuff I think is a decent deal anyways. I ended up using $40 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $40 back. So again, my total was $16.01. I got 15 items at just $1.06 a piece. So a little bit more out of pocket, but I ended up using a gift card that I get from Swagbucks. So basically what I do is I print my coupons from Swagbucks, and then every once in a while I will redeem a gift card. So I redeemed a $50 gift card on Swagbucks. It takes a couple days to get it. I screenshot it on my phone, and then when I go to the store, I just have them scan it, and I don't use any of my own money. I end up using the money that I get from printing coupons and using those printable coupons. So it's free money either way. Plus I save a ton of money with my printer. I change my ink once a year, and I probably print at least, I want to say 4, maybe 5 reams of paper. Maybe, I don't know, 3 to 5 reams of paper a year, and I only change my printer once. I print like crazy. But yeah, that was my haul, you guys. I just wanted to share with you on that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.